If Chrome is giving you error code 39, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 4 simple fixes that can solve it quickly. This error often happens when Chrome runs out of memory, an extension conflicts with a website, hardware acceleration causes a glitch, or your cache becomes corrupted. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling Chrome or resetting your whole computer. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to increase Windows virtual memory, also called the page file. This helps Chrome and other apps by giving your system more breathing room when RAM gets tight. On your keyboard, press the Windows key, type Advanced System Settings, and select View Advanced System Settings. When the System Properties window opens, stay on the Advanced tab and look for the Performance section. Click the Settings button. In the new window, go to the Advanced tab again. Then under Virtual Memory, click Change. Here, you'll see an option at the top that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. If it's already checked, that's usually fine, but if you want to manually set it, uncheck it first. Then select your C drive, choose System Manage Size, click Set, and then click OK. If the automatic box is checked, you can leave it enabled and simply confirm the settings. After that, restart your computer so Windows can apply the new memory settings properly. This step alone can fix Chrome errors caused by low system resources. Now let's move on to the second fix, which is turning off hardware acceleration inside Chrome. This feature can improve performance in some cases, but on certain systems it can also cause crashes, black screens, or strange error messages like error code 39. Open Chrome, click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and go to Settings. On the left side, click System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available or Use Hardware Acceleration when available, depending on your version of Chrome. Turn that switch off. Then click the relaunch button that appears next to it so Chrome restarts with the new setting. After Chrome opens again, try loading the same site that was causing the problem. If the issue is gone, then hardware acceleration was likely the reason. If not, don't worry, because we still have 2 more fixes to try. The third fix is to check whether a browser extension is causing the crash. Extensions are useful, but one bad extension can break certain websites or create conflict inside Chrome. The fastest way to test this is by using Incognito mode. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac to open a fresh Incognito window. Then go back to the website that was crashing and test it again. If the website works normally in Incognito mode, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is the problem. To find it, go back to Chrome, click the 3 dots, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. You can also type Chrome extensions into the address bar. From there, turn off your extensions one by one. After disabling each one, go back and test the website again until you find the one causing the issue. Once you identify the problematic extension, delete it if you don't need it, or leave it disabled if you want to keep it for later. This process may take a few minutes, but it's one of the best ways to fix recurring Chrome crashes. Now for the fourth fix, which is clearing the local cache and site data. Over time, Chrome stores files to help websites load faster, but if those files become outdated or corrupted, they can cause repeated errors and force tabs to fail. To clear them, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command Shift and Delete on Mac. A new window will appear. Change the time range to All Time. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After that, click Delete Data. Once the process finishes, reload your tabs and try the website again. In many cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve Chrome error code 39 right away. If your browser was crashing because of memory issues, page file settings, an extension conflict, hardware acceleration, or a corrupted cache, these steps should get you back to normal. The best part is that each fix is safe, simple, and easy to follow even if you're not very technical. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Chrome error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.